You are welcome to our fourth presentation about surds. Tonight we are going to look at like and unlike surds, and we are saying that like surds are surds having the same irrational number. That is to say, if you have the surd as a square root b and c square root b, then these two surds are like. Why are they like surds? It is because when you look at the irrational part, which is this square root of b, we see that they are the same. So this is square root of b, and as well this one is the square root of b. So they are the same. That's why they are like surds. We can have examples of like surds. We can have 1, 2 root 17 and root 17 are like surds. 2, we can have root 2 and 3 root 2 are like surds. We can have 3 root 3 and 7 root 3 are like surds because the irrational number, which is the square root of 3, is the same. We can have number 4 root 5 and a half root 5 are like surds. We can have the last one, 2 root 7 and maybe 3 root 7 are like surds. Then on the right hand side, we are saying that unlike surds are surds which do not have the same irrational number. So they do not have the same irrational number. That is to say, if we have the surd as square root of a and the surd as square root of b, then these two surds are unlike. The two surds are unlike these ones. They are unlike surds because the irrational number or value is not the same. We can have examples of unlike surds. We can have number 1, 2 root 3 and root 2 are unlike surds. Number 2, 7 root 5 and 5 root 7 are unlike surds. Number 3, we can have 3 times square root 5 and 2 square root 3. They are unlike surds. Number 4, 2 root 7 and 5 root 6 are unlike surds. Then we can have the last one. We can have maybe 100 root 2 and root 3 are unlike surds. So it is very important to understand and get to know the difference between the two, because when it comes to performing operations on these surds, one should be aware of the unlike and like surds, because when it comes to addition and subtraction, so now we can add or subtract unlike surds. So the surds we can subtract or add, then they should be like surds, but not unlike surds. So you can mention more and drop them in the comment section and categorize them as either like surds or unlike surds. Thanks for watching.